So hi guys, in this video we will be looking at amazing loader which is being presented on Awards website. Let me show you first. As you can see, I am been on this website steviaplease.me. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong. Just comment it if I'm pronouncing right or wrong. As soon as I refresh, can you see like it's still refreshing? Can you see this loading effect? Like it's revealing your effect, revealing your website very slowly and in a format like it looks good. It just looks so appealing. Once again, I will just refresh and show you. Can you see like it's been revealing in V format? Like first center and then the right hand side or left hand side is revealing at the same time. That's the effect we are going to create in this video. So let's get started only. Okay, this is my like very basic thing. If you remember in last video also I have used this what you can say code, same code it is. And like if you remember, I will, as I scroll, the text revealing effect which I've shown you in the last part, it's the same code. Okay, I'm just continuing in the same code because it has a boilerplate ready and all. That's why. So now what we will do is in body tag we will add a loader wrapper, loader-wrapper, right? Loader wrapper. This is like my parent div which will be on the fix on the top, right? That's the thing. And now after this we will add a panel. Okay, panel into, let's say, 20, because if I just go over here again and if I just refresh, can you see like there is around 20 lines happening over here? So that's the same thing I am creating. Okay, so around 20 panels I have created over here. Now let's add some styling. In this style.css, I will add loader wrapper, position fix, and after that insert 0. If you don't know insert property, then it is basically you are saying top, right, bottom, left 0. Then you don't have to add like width and height of 100%. It just calculates it automatically. Basically it is just stretching out to the whole screen. That's why I have used insert property. If you want to use, then top, left 0 and width, height 100%, that also you can do. Okay, so over here if I just show you, there is nothing been shown. Z index, let's add Z index of 2, and background color of, let's suppose, aqua. Okay, can you see the aqua color? If I just reduce the opacity, then you can see the background color as well. Can you see like the aqua color with the background? Okay, that's the thing we have like created yet. Now what we will do is, it's the same thing, right? Over here in the bottom I will add a panel. What will have the panel? Flex 1, because I want it to take equal width. I can either take like calculation of the width, but flex 1 is generally the better. Display flex. Okay, because if I am giving flex, then its parent should have display flex. Now it's not showing anything because I have to add a color. Background color of, let's suppose, we will add blue will be okay. Yeah, it's working. My every element has this thing. Border 1 pixel, solid, and red. Okay, so I can see the individual lines also. So this is my actual layout. Okay, now I will just remove this and let's copy the, what you can say, gradient code from here only over here. Okay, I have to just quickly, okay, this, not this, refresh, and this is the line. I have this linear gradient. I'm just copying the color code. Okay, don't be like I'm just stealing something. It just, I'm copying the linear gradient. This is the color which they are using. As you can see, it's the same thing we have achieved. Now we just want to animate it. For animation, what you can do is, over here, this is my script.js, and inside your window dot add event listener. As it is a loader, I will add a of load, like add a event listener of load. And over here I will add an arrow function. And over here what we will do is, I will just add like I will just have targeted all the elements which are there in the panel. Okay, so what I will do is, let panel equals to document dot query selector all, and it will have the panel. I hope it's panel only, panel, right? So panel. So now we have gathered every element in the panel. I can just show you like panel. Can you see like I have all 20 elements which are this panel, right? Let me just quickly look it like this. Can you see it is all the panels which I have on my loader. Now there is a two approach. Okay, there is two approach which you can do. First approach is let left panel, okay, left panel equals to this, and right panel also I will add the same thing. Right panel, P capital. Okay, this is the thing. I have just created two panels, and over here what I will do is let center equals to panel dot length divided by 2. So now what I want an integer. Then I can just do parse int and like this. Okay, so I have just panel dot length and I have just find out the center point. Now I will just add a panel dot for each what it will does is I will get a element comma index, and over here I will just say if my index is greater than center, then what it will do is, because if index is greater than center then it's the on the right, and if it is not then it's on the left. Okay, greater than equal to. Okay, let's add a equal to as well. So this is the thing. Now what I will do is, let me show you. Okay, I guess greater than will work, so that's why I have just added a greater than. Left panel, okay, right panel dot push element. I am just pushing the right panel element, and over here if it is not the case, then I will just push the element in the left panel. Left panel, simple. If I just show you element, okay, ELE, okay, it should work. Let me just console this whole vertical left panel and right panel. Console left panel and console right panel. Okay, so now I will have, okay, I should have to add a equal as well, then only it will work. Save, and I have 10 elements. So as you can see, this is my first, I have printed left panel. So I have the left panel side. Second, I have the right panel side. This is like little bit of JavaScript, but it works. Okay, that's why I have just show you this way also. But I will approach a newer way, which is like I have just invented that over here. Just say copy the same thing. Okay, you just have to call the same thing but with a twist. I will just copy this and let's comment it down as of now. Sorry. Over here I will just add the same thing, and I just have to add a few things. Panel nth child, like you remember in CSS we have nth child as well. So nth child, if I just want to calculate the left part, then I will add minus n plus 11, then it will have the 10 element. Let me show you, like console left panel, then you can see it has 11 element. I want 10, so I will add 10. As you can see, it has 10 element of the left side. Same goes with here also. Nth child, sorry again, n plus 10. So I am just targeting another 10 element. So let me quickly console right panel as well. Right panel, okay. As you can see, okay, I will have to add n plus 11, then only it will work. Can you see? Like this is my first element, and over here this is the last element, right? This is the exactly like opposite. Okay, that's the same thing which we have done. Okay, one way was that for each and just do that thing, and the advanced thing you can just use the CSS n child selector to target the same thing. I am just getting the same data from both the point. I have just get all the data. Now what we will do is we will add GSAP.to left panel, and we will add an option my 100%, right? Okay, as I replace, can you see like it's going down the way? I want a stagger effect. If you remember stagger effect, then just comment on the video. Okay, 0.1. Now can you see it's just moving from left to right? What I want is it should run from center. Then you just have to make it reverse, minus 0.1. Can you see it is just running from center to like right to left? The same effect I want on the right panel also. Okay, over here I will just copy this and add on right panel, and I will just remove this minus. Okay, now can you see the same effect is been achieved? Of course I have like took a little longer time to create the same effect. It is just hardly 5 to 10 minutes to create this, but I just wanted to show you how you can create this awesome loader with like very less effort. If you want, you can also add a delay, like let's suppose I will add a delay of 0.1, and also over here, so not 0.1, actually it's very less than what you see, 1. Okay, now can you see, like after 1 second it is just revealing the animation. So that also you can do. You can just combine this with timeline as well, if you remember timeline concept, which we have already covered in previous videos. So that's also the fine thing, and that's the best thing, because you can just create the awesome effect using that timeline. And can you see, like it has like if I just refresh the actual website, it has the same loader effect as we have over here. Now the loader is being created. If you like this video, then make sure to comment on this video and what next topic you want me to teach on the GSAP part. And if you have any questions, any doubts, just comment it down. I will definitely answer your queries. Till then, stay safe and bye bye. I will see you in the next video.